Hello friends, Vishwas Joshi here. Philately of India of the year 2008. A selection from our collection. 4 beautiful stamps on endemic butterflies of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Birth centenary of Dr. B.P. Paul, the renowned agro-scientist. 75th birth anniversary of the Anarkali. Centenary of Tata Steel. Philately of India is certainly not devoid of Rasikata. The Jasmine. Henning Holk Larsen. Yes, the same of the duo Larsen and Toubro. Born in Denmark, lived in India, left a permanent mark in India and for India. Golden Jubilee of Madhav Institute of Technology and Science, Gwalior. India-China joint issue. Times keep changing, in foreign affairs also. Birth centenary of Damodar Dharmananda Kosambi, the distinguished statistician, mathematician and Indologist. Aldabra giant tortoise. This is not going to be a story about a species of tortoise, but a story of the tortoise named Advaita. He died in Alipur Zoological Garden at Calcutta in the year 2006. He was perhaps the longest living animal in the world, having lived more than 250 years. It is said that British sailors picked up a bunch of such tortoises near Aldabra Islands on their way to India and presented those to Robert Clive. Advaita was one of that lot. Kudos to the wide-angled attentivity of Philately of India. Beijing Olympics. Abhinav Bindra brought 1 gold for India in rifle shooting. Vijendra Singh brought 1 bronze in boxing. Sushil Kumar brought 1 bronze in wrestling. The Ustad. Sir Pitti Tyagarayar, proponent of cottage industry, known for his selfless, courageous, honest and honorable service in public life. The Post Office, Dakghar. Post Office is the organization which is more intimately bound up with human relations than any other government department. Even in the era of modern modes of communication, Dakghar preserves its enigma. 150th anniversary of Standard Chartered Bank. The depiction is its heritage building at Mumbai. B. Nagi Reddy, a well-known film producer and director. Also, he will be ever remembered as co-founder of children's magazine Chanda Mama. It was published in 11 different languages. Physics Observatory was established in 1899 at Kodaikanal. Evershed, the assistant director of the observatory, was studying the spectra emitted by sunspots. His observations in 1909 are now summarized as Evershed effect. Pride for India. Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. It was founded in May 1909. The birthplace of many institutions. The breeding ground of top-notch scientists and researchers in science and in technology. Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. At the end of Liberation War of Bangladesh, the then Prime Minister asked him to go to Dhaka and accept the surrender of Pakistani forces. The great general declined modestly and magnanimously, saying that the honor should go to his army commander in the east. Such are our traditions. Brahmos. The name represents two well-known rivers, Brahmaputra of India and Moskova of Russia. The missile is a result of joint venture between India and Russia. BrahMos is a supersonic missile that approaches the target with a speed 3 times the speed of sound. It can be launched from various platforms like land, warships, submarines, combat aircrafts. Thank you for being with Vishwas Joshi. Like, share and subscribe.